One dark and stormy night, Robin, the brave and kind superhero, was patrolling Gotham City. Suddenly, he heard a loud cry for help. A little boy named Tim was lost in the city. Robin sprinted towards the sound, his heart full of determination. He found Tim shivering and scared, alone in an alleyway. "Don't be afraid, Tim," Robin said, with a warm smile. "I'm here to help you." Tim looked up, his eyes wide with fear. "I can't find my way home," he whispered. Robin took Tim's hand and said, "Let's find your home together, Tim. I won't leave your side until we do." They walked through the city, Robin guiding Tim with gentle steps. The rain drizzled, but Robin's cape kept them both dry. As they walked, Robin taught Tim about the city's landmarks. They saw a towering building, a bustling park, and a beautiful bridge lit with lights. Finally, they reached a familiar house. Tim's parents were overjoyed to see him safe. They thanked Robin for his help, giving him a warm hug. Robin waved goodbye, his heart filled with happiness. He had not only helped a little boy, but also made a new friend. That night, Robin returned to his hideout, smiling. He knew that even in the darkest of nights, he could make a difference. And so, Robin continued to protect Gotham City, always ready to help those in need, just like that one special night when he found Tim.